Moko about mobile gas BGH platform you so. Na and then Honorable Hopeson Adoye and the video we are air trending. As my all can say or say Kyeremanten pays me every month. Kyeremanten feeds me every month. Therefore, I will continue to support him. Tieniye or say Kyeremanten pays me every month. Kyeremanten feeds me every month, so I will continue to support him. Assembly now they say, and they say, Honorable Hopeson Adoye is a politician, our NPP Abaimo. Now, I mean, so many controversies. It's a controversy, any negative controversy that will evolve from NPP party, at least has Honorable Hopeson Adoye's name around somewhere. Just in it, implicated in it somewhere. As some negative, not positive, any negative controversy that evolves from NPP party, Hopeson Adoye is implicated in there somewhere. and see, oh yeah, very, very controversial. Any our Empress, the gospel musician Empress Gifty. Now, Honorable Hopeson Adoye now saying it's on the fallout of Honorable Kyeremanten from the NPP party, and then Honorable Kyeremanten has gone independent, standing, competing against his former party, and then obviously went with some members of the NPP gang, which is Honorable Hopeson Adoye and other counterparts also followed him. So Honorable Hopeson Adoye has become a stronghold for a strong follower of Honorable the presidential hopeful Honorable Kyeremanten. And known at NPP before say, according to our constitution, you cannot belong to us and still support our opponent. So therefore, here is your letter of dismissal. In the NPP before I dismiss it, Honorable Hopeson Adoye from that includes Wedmana or Yama or Munina Moyinedi. In no.
Yes, I support Alan because Alan feeds me every month. Alan Kyeremanten feeds me every month. So I will support him any day. I was say, okay, thank you. I just want to know, establish that position.
And now it's a Ghana for no who interview was said then you or Kase. Yes, I mean, I'm following him. I'm following the man because the man pays me every month. The man feeds me, put food on my table, make me be able to reach up money and support him. Why wouldn't I follow him? Why wouldn't I support him? To me, nothing is wrong in that. I feel like there's a legitimate stance that he has taken because Missy and Tiamika, why won't you have something to do it? But it me say Madaji, the and then when he found and go for your political power, we are only mobile. So what I say, you don't also know what baby almost baby and also all bohobine. Ghana for Cotifa, you almost motikwa pie. Oh, how? Why motikwa pie? I said, we say logic. Nya Tiamika, or no, also devote to Madaji and the support no. Na omo wontia me kan bibi na omo yi me free mu no nka how na me gogo dia wachi sika be na menya e de bia support me yire e de bia support me akasa so me ho eh na say Hopeson Adoye ankwa yesa da chi omo me ye ho sapo bi inventory Empress kitchen so what you say enti ono so wanya baby a wode ne nan ebesi wanya gina ye baby yetua ne ka there's nothing wrong in it. Say obetro support to Kyeremanten, and I know so Honorable Kyeremanten is also aware and understand. Say yes, you two edupiano say be mpane sanwoka. So no so say yes. Say if Hopeson in Buamia or the both time now Buamia because he could have been chasing other things, other avenues to make money. I need to pay him. And see, I don't think so. Oka say I need to pay Honorable Kyeremanten pays me, feeds me, therefore I'll continue to support him. We're gonna put to Manuel going to say, hey, then we are from minister. I mean, we are Monkwana Wodring. Excuse me, now we're here. A common day with our own. We yanka with our own share. Anyway, and on a yanko na Prophet Kumchacha so say, just say, oh, Hopeson Adoye dear, Hopeson Adoye dear. The sooner we are na airborne no, na baby, our cacodino. Just say, oh, no. kum chacha say on do Hopeson Adoye o nsuma no ne ho nya ne mobo chese wo kwa de se kokoto se o to amede ma ko be piano class atoma that's why so yes of ko be say piano kra ma na to ma na kwa kwati ahwe kra ka ho adanya o si okoka National Cathedral yeah one of the NPP's promise when they came to power they promised say ombesi National Cathedral edi aye enyam hye amerade na cathedral ko bas na Ghana for na say yes kampo pento gyaneni obesi dey be cathedral and no na so kum chacha so mua o prophet kum chacha say no there he's never going to waste the money on building cathedral, so therefore he's never going to waste his money on contributing to the building of the National Cathedral. And I hope so you hey we'll try na say me na also for moi what count on yema also for moi what count to the past also for moi we also for moi o hihye enyema gu ho na ayi dachi dey oboko edu erade asemo also for kum chacha pe also for kum chacha so no because Hopeson Adoye ne sunne ne wi a na ebo no if you say enkwasi adwuma asebe se bia wo MP mu nyina no Hopeson Adoye na wo ye na beti soso ene ne mfumpi soso ne konsoso nti Hopeson Adoye na wo ye ni nyina because ekosi se emribi ti Hopeson Adoye se okokokochi eyi if any say Trinity Jonas because Trinity Jonas ye o man panyin to okokochi Trinity Jonas enu nyina so chese sema kum chacha kan ye de nyame enu ko mimpa de ntimi nka ndimi akasa I will leave it up to you guys for you guys to listen na nyame kan say honorable Hopeson Adoye so ope say wa bi oni asem ba so honorable Hopeson Adoye ni din se hobi oh I don't know anyway me enko tie the interview na prophet kum chacha
ya na samo bana me kan ya na yilinti ya na me hu said ya meka na fa because you see dua batabo won ni twa no twa na good na yili you obi a wo wade pa set woman wade bra no wa so pa na enye na yila aka bo se dia wa kike bi atla e bi se sabe ya ka mp mu kwasi woman dina si adoye e no wo de ye bo so ano so no na fuso ena ne konsu emu bai ena litiso eti MPP kwasi aduma ne wo mu nyina a ne wo MPP mu nyina Hopeson Adoye no ndema no adenti no so kum chacha me kasa sawun mu se ebra National Cathedral issue bai a me kan ho asem han na ba public obedidi matam enye Hopeson Adoye obekere na adwene dabi obedidi matam ama OKFM kura wasan fure besi so abeka sem poto bedi matam sabe National Cathedral enye nene akọwie amo akobi ni ni a ene omun tumi nto aso but Hopeson ni obi a kwasi adwuma bi a wo MPP mu bi a sa na funa so no ani ni ti na so no ene ne kon ne sa dia wa yili ni ti no kwasi adwuma bi a ye hwe nanim a ye so Hopeson wona fata oje enye Hopeson Adoye eno ofu pray ko America so ko hwe Trinity Jonas no kre ono a okazo ko okobi ono no enti di America no kra na enye no kre okay trase obi ti America na obi ti aburochira Ghana president kora no ontumi nkofa nipa ne ma what I say agidi ye hard criminal bia ya beka say interpol ebetumi akofa no good Trinity Jonas na de no ochele e no keka na asem na Hopeson Adoye free Ghana ha afu pray say me ko ya kan say USA adanya me ko Trinity Jonas na Trinity Jonas me ko Trinity Jonas na me di Trinity Jonas abagana ati Hopeson Adoye sabe okono ano kwanya brain crash ano wi ya ankenye jimiye ano do US wono ano obi kopra na ankenye jimiye ati media sofu kum charge me say kwasi aduma wo MPP mu nyina Hopeson Adoye no ndi ama eti ana bawo de sem kwasi aduma me so aketu ya ma no na ya ma ne red card si won yi na furi ma ne kwasi ya na agi ni dwan
Professor we are some okay there. MPP constitution and MPP Juma. And the MPP for crying, but yes, we are living on my side.
That's an send a quasi imagine train. That can seven previous. Also for Kofi Odru. Alabasta. Every dosia do you better keep papa na. Ever kick and some final. I didn't see our cocker by yourself. If you met me on my reference more than 10, I will be out children dream. Tama, and this war opposition, and power. And this war power. Now MPP for opposition. Now it will be a note to make Casapa. Excellent dream kicking some Opsia can. What I say, no one no count. But tell them they're not the more power. Now we'll be so children dream children and this one. What the Australian didn't at them. That's immediate. Also, Kumchacha. And you may Debbie.
Master, oh, yeah, a candidate. Oh, and you are how? Massa.